Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a checkbox border color. Also you can change checkbox checkmark color. This is checkbox. Now select form option and select field and drag your mouse cursor, select all of them and change patterns. All of them color and border. Select properties dialog box and this is the checkmark color. I'll make all of these checkmark color similar and see this. And border color I'll make this one and thin and solid color. Now see this and see this, all of this check mark and border color now change. Again select, you can select and change one by one. This appearance option already showing this red color and this border color. I'll make it green color, this type of green. I make it medium and see this. In this way you can change one by one your checkbox border color. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as in fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.